Hello guys, welcome to my tutorial. I just wanted to put together just a very short tutorial for you all. I'm not going to take up too much of your time. This is short and sweet, very easy and cost effective. Marketing, 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 marketing. I cannot stress enough, if you have a product or a business, no one will purchase or buy or even engage with you in your product or service if they do not know that you even have it. So that's where I come in. It's always great to know all the little tricks and all the little tips. So, marketing, there's all kinds of ways to get paid marketing, free marketing, but we're only going to go over this one today. So, very short and sweet, guys. Facebook, the biggest platform out there. All you have to do, if you don't know, is put an ad on Facebook and you can boost your posts to get more traffic to your site. I'm just going to do a little short tutorial on the traffic boost. You also can do other things like brand awareness and things like that as well to generate different types of traffic. But I did a short little test here. So you go over here to your settings and you click on manage ads, or you'll end up in your Facebook ads manager account within Facebook. I've only run 2 tests. For the sake of this tutorial, I am going to go over this one. You got to go over here and change the date so that you can see the results. All right. So guys, as you can see here, it's going to give you a breakdown of the performance of your ad. Here, as you can see, I basically only set my budget at $5, guys. This is not going to break the bank for you. I promise. So just stay with me. So as you can see here, I have 37 post engagements, people that outreach to me on my ad. And then I also here we have it actually reached out to 826 people. So this is very powerful, guys. So basically for these 37 results, as you can see right here, I only paid 14 cents for each of those post engagements. This is so powerful, simple and sweet. So what you would do is, you all know how to create an ad. It's self-explanatory, right? So, because you do Facebook posts almost every day or multiple times, but you would basically go to the ads manager and then you would create an ad. Now you can do it here and create an ad, or you can physically go onto your page, put on a post in your feed, post it to the page, and then click on the little icon buttons on the side of your post and choose the booster ad. And it will tell you if you do not see it there, you can't boost it. If you can boost it. And then you can set it at a budget that you want it to be set at. So I'm not going to start over with a new ad just for this tutorial. I just kind of wanted to walk through that portion of it for you and let you know that there is many ways to generate traffic. So you just go through your marketing objectives of what you're looking for and then what works best for your brand. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can also take a look at my website. You can contact me there at alltideinc.com. And then, of course, you can message me on Facebook. So I hope this can help someone. And please, guys, feel free to share with other entrepreneurs or someone else that needs help or a friend. It doesn't matter. I'm here for you. If you have any marketing ideas that you want to kind of discuss or try to get an understanding of, or even something you just off the top of your head, feel free to post it in the group or send me a message. I'm always here. That's what I love to do. And thank you. And you all stay blessed out there. And please stay safe.